Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix if art downloader is not working on your iPhone and you are unable to download reels from Instagram through your art downloader. So guys, here you can see this. If I try to download a reel through my art downloader in my iPhone, it will not be saved into my galleries and the error will appear on my screen. So guys, here you can see this error appears on my screen if I try to download reel from Instagram, and it is also not saved into my gallery. So guys, here I will give you some possible solutions to fix this problem. So guys, the very first solution to this problem is that you will have to simply delete our downloader from your shortcuts. So guys, open your shortcuts and from here just delete our downloader. Delete it, delete shortcut, and go back to your home screen, and from here just open any browser on your device, and from here search for Lucky Downloader. So here you can see this Lucky Download. Just download this, and from here just download this shortcut and set up this to your device. So guys, go back to your home screen and now again open your Instagram, and from here try to download your reel through Lucky Downloader. So guys, here you can see, tap on Lucky Download, wait for some seconds. Here you can see the reel is now downloading. Tap on allow once. So guys, here you can see this, my reel is now downloaded to my device. If I open my gallery, the reel is appeared in the screen. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well.